Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to the eastern wing of the Stink Bug Works, that super secret research and development division of Dr. Jet Laboratories, where we sit around all day and we invent things and we make stuff. And sometimes we give away some of the stuff we make. And that's what I'm preparing to do with this. But first, H2O machine, H2O mechanic hobby, H2O mechanic hobby. Send me your email address. I need to get you the plans for the deck sheeting on the Atlas kit that should have arrived by now. If it hasn't arrived, let me know. In fact, everybody's prizes should have arrived by now. If you haven't seen them, let me know. Okay, prizes for the next challenge. This guy, I'm about to put him in a box. Stand by. Before I put him in the box, put her in the box, I need to show you one idiosyncrasy I have discovered. There's one right way and 1,000 wrong ways to get these hatches off. Here's the right way. When they're on like they should be, slide this one back until it starts feeling a little snug. Slide this one back to where the front opening, there's quite a bit of opening here. And if you line that up and you just gently push on the hull, it simply pops out. This one, you can force it off that way, but since this curve is flatter than that curve, the transom wants to hang you up. Same thing here. Give it a little stretch, pop it out. Getting it in, same thing. Hello. If you can get it in the groove and pop it in. Boom, there it is. Get it in the groove. With this prop, it still has the power to flip it. That's a Grupner K31. I think I might put a K29 on it just to, it's still going to be the same speed. And the 29, you'll get longer run times and you'll be less apt to do a barrel roll at the end of a straightaway. This thing wants to do that sometimes. So there you go. It's going in a box. H2O Mechanics, send me your email. And that's about all I have today. The motor for the skedaddle jet should be arriving today, so maybe I could tinker with that in the afternoon. We'll see. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out.